So you make $20 an hour and you want to figure out how much rent you can afford. Don't worry, I'm going to take the stress off your shoulders by doing the math for you. Let's get it. I'm going to assume you have a full-time job, so you work for 40 hours out of the week, and your pay rate is $20 an hour. So we're going to take these two numbers, 20 times 40. We're going to multiply them together to get your weekly check, which is $800. So now we're going to take your weekly check, which is $800, and then we're going to use that number to find your actual annual salary. So we're going to multiply 800, your weekly checks, times 52. 52 represents the amount of weeks per week, and we got your annual salary, which is $41,600. All right, so next let's find out your monthly salary. Your annual salary divided by 12, which represents the amount of months in a year. We're going to get your monthly salary of $3,467. All right, so that's your monthly. Now we have to do our taxes. If we don't do taxes, we're going to go to jail. So now let's say taxes take up 20% of your check. So we're going to take our monthly salary, which is $3,467, multiply it by 20%, and we're going to get $693. All right, so that's the amount of taxes that we will have for the month. So now let's figure out our monthly check after taxes. So now we took our monthly check before taxes, we subtracted it by our taxes, and we got our monthly check after taxes. So now this right here is your monthly check. So now this is the amount of money you have left for the week. So now if the apartment says you need 2 times the rent, that number will be $1,734. Now, if the apartment says you need 2.5 times the rent, that means you can only afford $1,387. Now, if they say you have to be able to afford 3 times the rent, that number will be $1,156. So this is the amount of rent that you can afford. I hope you're able to find that apartment that you're looking for. Peace.